Chocolate Girl Magic is back with another video, and tonight I'm gonna be doing my two buns with 2 braids down and my edges on fleek. Or I probably will do the 2 pigtails with the 2 braids later on. I'm gonna just do the 2 buns with my edges for tonight. So now you're gonna take one of your wraparounds, no rubber bands because rubber bands would be breaking off your hair. So we're just gonna put this in a ponytail. Hi. Period. So now we're just gonna dip our hands in here. Do it. Do it in the back. Sorry, I already got gel in it, so I didn't want to put too much. So now we're just gonna brush. Yes, I'm making my ponytails a little bit low as usual because that's how I usually do them when I do this type of hairstyle. Yes, it's a quick hairstyle, boo. You is already ready to go with this. So let me show y'all how to do this. So now that you got your head slicked down like that, you put your wraparound on. And keep going until you can't no more, period. Okay, now I'm just taking a couple pieces and fluffing it out. So now we're gonna take one piece and just wrap it around just like that. Take another piece if you want to. I'm just making mine a little bit smaller, so it's just like that. And yes, of course, I'm gonna just keep pressing it down. As you can see, you can use this headscarf. Tonight I'm not gonna use a headscarf because where am I going at night? So it's just a quick hairstyle, that's it. Don't forget, y'all, Q&A tomorrow morning. Put it in the back. Make sure you put a lot in the back because if your hair is short like mine, which is like trim, not really short, it can come up. I'm sorry, y'all. I got too much hair over here. All right, so we're just gonna brush it. And it's just my natural hair. I'm just done with, like, I don't think black girls really need weave. So that's just me. I just love my natural hair. So I just be coming up with ideas and hairstyles for you guys so you could just do it. One of these days I'm gonna have natural curls and I'm gonna show you how to do like natural curls with ponytails. So we're gonna hold that, push it up, twist it around just like I did this one. So now that I got my 2 ponytails, y'all, yes, period, I'm gonna take my gel and I'm gonna come up a little bit because I want you guys to see how I do this. There's too much lighting. So I'm gonna just do this. I swear my hair grew over the past couple days. And don't forget, you could put extra if you wanna. Period, sis. I'm gonna bring that down. I know my hair a little white. It's just my gel. It be going dry too fast. But we're gonna do the other side because I want my video to be short. I'm going to be doing new videos soon. That's what I always say in all my videos, period. So I want y'all to have a good night, and I'm done posting for tonight. Bye, boo. Ha. Y'all, if you're new to my channel, you should already know. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And yes,